But wow, in white. The models on the runway were wearing it like this. Look at this in the light with this outfit. My Serpentine top handle, but I wouldn't say no. I think this is just the perfect canvas. What do we think? This bag has mesmerized me over the last couple of weeks. Do you like this, Sabet?
I love the Sabato.
Are you happy with the outfit, by the way?
I'm so touched, and Mina absolutely loves it.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to see Dina to have a look at a couple new spring summer bags for the occasion. I chose this with my outfit, I'll show it to you in a moment. But it's the first spring day, it's super nice and warm today. And can I just tell you about my latest addiction? I discovered chocolate tea. It's the best thing ever. I'm gonna have one for Dina as well. And also guys, I know they look like haunted dolls, but I really got into Sky Panda too. Look at this, guys. The first proper spring day. This is today's bag, and I'm going to show you my outfit in a moment. So I think I'm just gonna lump a couple of days together from now on. Whenever I feel like filming, just put that in like a weekly vlog or something like that. That way I can make sure that I'm still gonna be posting on both channels. If you haven't subscribed to my new channel yet and you have an interest in astrophysics, space news, simulation theory, then make sure to go and subscribe. What about a quick look at Chanel, guys? So this is their new 25 bag. I have no idea what they were thinking. I don't know if I'm maybe too old to get it. For me it looks like a student's project, like a fashion student's project. Not the biggest fan, to be honest. I like these kind of bags more. Look how cute. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Chanel 31 bag. I have several. This is the mini size. And to be honest, the fashion is great. Love that black dress, obviously, with this skirt, very statement, quite a statement piece. And this is one of the new Kelly bags. You can't really see it. Here we can see it better. So they come in several different sizes. They have a massive one as well. Look at this beautiful bag, guys. I love it with the pearls and white, guys. I was trying this bag on in black a while back. But wow, in white with the pearls, stunning. Wow, look at this. So this is more like a flat bag. I love it, it's so subtle, the color, but the white is gorgeous as well. I came in to look at this gorgeous reissued Kelly version. It is heavy. I wanted to see it in the white, no surprise. The models on the runway were wearing it like this, you know? Super cool. It is massive. You could even put a laptop in here. They brought out a lot of beige Claire bags. Love the color. So one close-up of the 25. Nope. Still like the original Party Kelly as well. That's an option too. And guys, we're here. Let's have a look at what's new. And as promised, the entire outfit. So you guys know I've fallen in love with like cream recently. I really like this coat. It's super nice, it's super long. It's beautiful color. And I thought this goes really, really well with it, right? You guys know this is my favorite bag in the world. And look at this jewel. Gold carong. Gold always like dresses up any outfit, if you ask me. I love this ostrich version from the first moment I saw it. I think this is such a stunning bag. And look at these two beauties. Super rare. White bag with silver hardware. You guys know that Bvlgari mainly does gold, champagne gold and rich gold. I mean, look at this in the light. It's a perfect spring bag. And the most stunning beauty, the Fuji, such a classic. And my absolute favorite, I think we know that by now. Oh, the light colored bags. You know, it's like a dream, obviously, with this outfit. can't wait to wear all my white bags in summer. I love mine in pink, my Serpentine top handle, but I wouldn't say no to a white one either. I mean, look at this color with a rich gold serpent. Stunning. And look at the cabochon. You guys know I have this bag in 2 sizes. I don't have this size yet. So cute. And you have the mother of pearl scales on the 24 karat gold plated hardware. And I was like, okay, let me just show you all of the cream bags today. I think this is just the perfect canvas. So why not show you all of them? So this is the large size Serpentine pouch. I have the small in the little rainbow furry style. But there's only like 10 of them in the world. I love that you can just wear it, you know, like a little Bottega pouch as well. This is like fashion week style to me. And for anyone who's interested in these jewels as well, let's get a close up of this. Okay guys, let me know what's next on your wish list for spring and summer. What do we think about this outfit? I just love this really long coat. Like, for me it's super difficult because I'm pretty tall to find a coat that almost, you know, goes all the way down. So couldn't be happier. And like I said guys, from now on I'm just gonna lump videos together into like one vlog. Tomorrow we're actually going to see Hannah. We're gonna have a little look around London as well, see what's new, but we're also gonna have dinner. And I have a little surprise for her. So guys, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so let's have a quick look at what's on display before I show you the details of the new marquee bags. So these are the new marquee bags. For everybody who always tells me they want a Bvlgari bag but they do not want the serpent, this is the bag for you, let's be honest. So here we have a couple of these sugarloaf bags. I love them. They remind me of the cabochon. This is like the cabochon 2.0, the sugarloaf. This is the marquee bag. This is the small size. And I'm going to have to show you the inside of these. Do you want to say hi again?
Hi, welcome back.
So we're just gonna show you this now. Beautiful smooth leather from the outside, but then when you open it up, it's a little secret. And here we go guys. Can you see that? Let me focus there. You got the diva symbol embossed into the leather. And you got a little mirror that comes with the bag as well. Here you can see the size comparison guys. Perfect. Okay guys, this is the large size. Look at this beautiful shiny leather. Do we know if this is calf skin? Okay guys, and look at this. We got the small one in white as well. So pretty. Okay guys, so it's actually gold leather, so it's gonna be super durable. We tried the white with the silver earlier, and here we got the gold again. Perfect. I love this bag. Here you got the diva symbol as well, just with the new marquise bag, but still the serpent, and you guys know I love the serpent. And this is the dual because it has 2 serpent heads.
So for the more mature or the very young sophisticated lady?
Yes, it looks so good on you.
Oh, thank you.
And guys, look at this gorgeous color, perfect for spring and summer as well. It's like a baby pink. Super subtle, super soft color. Oh, I like this. I really do. Okay guys, so I love the new spring colors. I have to say, I love this one, I love this one. I thought I'm really into white now, but I would actually consider like a baby pink. What do we think? Which one do you like better? Let me know. And you guys know this is my favorite new bag, like the new Serpenti Forever size that they created. Oh, the light is so good here. This actually is a carum. Can we see that? And you guys know how durable carum is. We got the onyx eyes. Super nice. It's like the blue of the sea in summer when you're lying on the beach looking out onto the sea. Super nice color. Oh guys, the same color, same material in the classic Serpenti Forever shoulder bag in the small size. It's a pop of color. And just before we leave, I have to show you these two again. Look at the sparkles. I always tell you, look at them in real life, you know, my camera can only capture so much. Stunning, no? What do we think about this new Gucci bag? Seen them on the website. It's the first time I'm seeing them now in real life. Okay guys, that was it for today. That was Bvlgari, Chanel, a little bit of Gucci sprinkled in. Tomorrow we are going to see Hanno. Hi everyone, it's the next day. It's a little bit colder again today, but I want to have a look at Schiaparelli bags. Yeah, I'm ready for spring. I don't know about you. Okay, I wanted to come into Schiaparelli for a couple of weeks already to have a look at this bag. This is the new Souffle Schiaparelli bag, and I love the anatomy pieces. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing them in person. They all move individually, so I was a bit worried about how the leather would wear, to be honest, if the metal pieces rub on it all the time. But this bag has just something. Denise is here with me, by the way.
I mean, I'd rather not. It would not be a nice one.
I don't know. This bag has mesmerized me over the last couple of weeks. So
it looks like it cost about £20.
Really? I think it looks so luxurious. What's wrong with my brain then?
Everything.
I really like it.
Huh?
And by the way guys, this is today's outfit. Yes, I'm still wearing my leopard dress. And I thought, hey, let me take my Celine bag out one more time. This was my summer 2024 bag and I've worn it every single day. I loved it. Now I'm kind of looking for a new summer bag for 2025. I wanted to, this is the labubu of the day, basically. How freaking cute is this dress? Okay guys, I have to tell you, I've been dreaming about the Schiaparelli bag for a couple of weeks now. And I was so looking forward to trying it on, seeing it in reality for the first time. And I'm totally underwhelmed. The leather did not feel like it was worth £4,600. Of course, the aesthetic, the design of the bag, you know, the design elements, the anatomy elements are what made me fall in love with it. But the leather quality is horrible. It feels plasticky, it feels like coated, it feels like painted on basically. And it's not gonna be my 2025 summer bag. Like, I really wanted that one because I thought, you know, it's unique. You're not gonna see a lot of people walking around with it. It's me, you know. Like, if it was £2,000, I might consider it, but almost £5,000 for that quality leather, no go. Look who I just found. So, what are we doing today, Hanno?
We are going to have a lot of girly time.
Yes,
we're going to have a good catch up.
And then have dinner again.
And we're going to have dinner.
I'm really looking forward to that.
And we've got a mini labubu convention.
Yeah. Look at this. I've already shown them mine. And I got a little surprise for Hannes labubu actually. We'll show you later. Yeah. Apropos bag charms, guys, I just spotted this bag. Hannes said it's a gunny bag. I would have not recognized the logo actually. But look at the bag charm goodness. Quick look at Celine, guys. Oh, there's actually my Tilly bag. I love their bags. I always keep an eye out for, you know, what kind of new models are coming out. But so far, nothing that I would consider. But I love this one, of course. I still love this one. They made it in black and white as well. And this is like one of their new models. This new Antoinette bag, there were actually some Parisian, some French people that told us how to pronounce it. So this is the new Antoinette bag and it's very understated. I like it because from afar you would just think, oh, is that a vintage bag? It has very much kind of a vintage look, right? It gives you vintage vibes. And then you have a tiny little Celine logo right there. And it reminds me of like a doctor bag. And guys, look at these. And Hanne found the red one. Do we like the red Antoinette? Yeah? You guys know I love my Ugg boots, right? My platform Ugg boots. Look at this. I was just thinking, what Ugg boots do I get for summer? They're actually making all year round Ugg boots now. This is Celine saying, hey, we can make Ugg boots as well. I like them, guys. How much are they? We're quickly stopping at LV, guys, but there is nothing here that's new or interesting. Guys, I have to be honest. I think I made a mistake with the medium size Chanel 22. This is the small. I think this size would have been a better choice. Guys, this is one of the new bags as well, and I really like this little gold one too. New Lady Dior art. I mean, it's always interesting what they come out with. We definitely have not seen these pieces yet. Let me know, guys, if anything catches your attention. I mean, they're all super cute, but can you remember that these bags ruined my dress? Because it's so easy to get stuck on all the sequins and the pearls. To be honest, guys, Servette, I've looked at their bags a couple times. Especially these suede pieces are beautiful. And the price is pretty much okay, I think. I think this one is 1.1, which, you know, in terms of luxury is still pretty good, and this bag feels really nice. So what do we think? They look timeless, they look classic, the quality is great, the price is okay, like in terms of luxury, like I said, of course £1,000 is still, you know, but I don't know. Let's ask Hanno. I was just gonna say, what do you think about this one? Do you like this, Servette?
I love the Servette.
Yeah, right?
But I'm a little bit of a fan of the HEATHROW bags as well.
I like how they slouch, even though it's a metal glass, basically.
I think it's a really cool design.
Yeah, I don't know. Something about this bag catches my attention. Yes, we're on our way to get some dinner now.
Dinner time.
My highlight of the day. And I think your Labubu should try on.
I think we'll have a little outfit try on.
And guys, Hannah just dressed up her little Labubu. Let me show you. Are you happy with the outfit, by the way?
I'm so touched, and Mina absolutely loves it.
Oh my god, look at her. I just love it. I thought because you like blue, you know, and
It's perfect.
on the grey, and here we got my little Labubu. Hello.
She's like a little Chanel girly.
Yeah. Okay, this is our starter. We got burrata and calamari. Thank you so much. Amazing. And this is our main, penne arrabbiata.